Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to put in some LED headlights. First step is getting this plastic piece off. You may have retaining clips on yours. I've never seen a police car that had the clips on it, but yours may actually still have them. So once those clips are popped up, and this just kind of lifts out and kind of wiggles around. Crown Vic headlights are held in by these metal clips. There and there. Now sometimes you can just actually pull them up by hand, but of course the guaranteed easy way is to use your screwdriver and pry up on them. Once you've popped them with your screwdriver, they just kind of lift out. You see the innermost one only goes around one aiming attachment and then has a metal clip that fits in there. The outermost clip goes around two different aiming pieces. So with those out, your headlight assembly will slide out. Once it's this far, you can't get it out any farther without disconnecting the lights. So you see mine's already got a broken tab on here, so that just slides off. And that one you can twist and release. With the assembly off the car, it's a lot easier to do your adjustments. If you were needing to adjust the aim, much easier to do it off the car than on the car. If you're doing it on the car, you've got to get, I think that's a 4mm around there and turn. Off the car you can just turn these. So if you turn this piece clockwise, it's going to pull upward on there. If you turn it counterclockwise, it's going to push outward on it. Same thing with this one. So it kind of aims by tilting in that fashion. To get the actual headlight out, you just twist this little lock tab and it comes off, and then the headlight can just be removed. Now you don't want to touch the bulb with your bare hands, so wear gloves because you may want to reuse this. They basically make it sound like these are just plug and play, but obviously, as you saw, you can't install this on a Crown Vic without getting that retaining ring over all of this, which can't be done with this all put together. There's no instructions. If you don't have one of these magnetic cups, they're really worth their weight in gold when you're working on projects like this, because you see the screws, when you drop them out, they fall in and they stick in there so you don't lose them. If you take this ring down, you'll see there's a screw there and there, and I'm hoping just pulling those two screws will allow me to separate this. You get to learn from my mistake. I wasted all that time disassembling the top for nothing. So you need a micro Phillips. It's a 0x40 size. There we go. So one totally removed and one almost removed is enough to get that off of there. And then you want to orient it so this is the outside and this is towards the bulb. So go in like that. Just screw that back in. It definitely helps to have a magnetic tip on your screwdriver for this sort of precision work. And we'll put the rubber gasket back on. Now on the inside there's 3 tabs, and you got to line those up on the bulb with the 3, and then get the outer ones lined up as well with the retaining rings. So it's a little bit of trial and error to get it all fit on there. Wire on the passenger one is at about 5 o'clock. So there's low and high. So you see how if you only get it to there, you won't be able to lock them in. They've got to be up to where that'll go around. So if you're having trouble, like you're pushing on it and it's not coming all the way through, it's probably because these need to be turned so that they line up with this little piece sticking out. As if they can't, if part of the star is hitting that, it will keep it from going all the way through. So you have that issue on the top one there and on there, and I'm guessing those are just in there to keep these from turning once they're in the car, so that if you do adjust in the car by turning on the metal here, these will stay put. That's why I always say it's easier to adjust them out of the car, because you can just turn that plastic and get it where you want it. Feed over them. Just repeat for the other side. Now we just want to test everything, make sure everything's working. With the Crown Victoria, the headlight access is really easy compared to other vehicles. So normally on another vehicle I would probably test everything before I put it all back together, but like I said, it's so easy to get to the headlights on here, I wasn't too worried about it. Okay, I put the regular bulb back in on the driver's side, as you can tell, and so you can see there's high, there's low, high, low, high, low. Hope this video was helpful. Appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.